remedy that's been suggested, I would agree that the appropriate remedy would be to remand this so that the appointing authority could come forward, chooses to, and explain in more detail and more depth why it made this choice. But certainly, I don't think an appointment of Mr. Folio is warranted this time. If there's any question about whether this was a merit-based appointment or a merit-based bypass, I think that needs to be resolved.
How is that remedy? I understand that you're proposing a procedural remedy to a procedural problem, but how does that remedy assist Mr. Folio, who 4 years ago, scored higher than two other people who were in fact hired and he was not 4 years ago?
I think it would give him an opportunity to show perhaps that there was some improper motive. But by the same token, it gives.
And he's been denied that opportunity for 4 years because he didn't have a proper statement of reasons.
Well, I mean,
how's that equitable?
Assuming that the appointing authority didn't act for merit-based reasons, that would come out at some point, and then he would have his appointment opportunity. But I don't know why we should assume that that's the case.
How are they going to do that? The record reflects that the only reason he was given, and it was informally, was that he interviewed not as well as the other people. But also the record reflects that all notes of the interviews have been destroyed. They're no longer available. How is the appointing authority going to be able to sit down and say, today, these are the reasons that we used 4 years ago to make a determination when there's no way to recreate that?